APRO-S series has a high-performance outdoor LED display, available P6, P8, P10 pixel pitches, with 960 multiply 960 panel size, and with 480 multiply 320mm module size. It suits diverse applications. It's full aluminum-free and modular, ensure a lightweight but durable build that handles the extreme cold and heat while reducing the structural load. The material plus the built-in heat sink enables efficient fanless cooling, eliminating the need for air conditioner. The cable-less design keeps the screen neat and visually clean after installations. APRO-S series boasts over 1,000 nits of brightness, ensures the clear visibility even in direct sunlight, enabling 24/7 non-stop advertising to maximize your revenue. With an CCC rating and 5 flame retardant safety that delivers strong waterproof, dustproof, and fire-resistant protection. Operates reliably from -40 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, ideal for harsh environments like snowfields and deserts. Featuring a unique voltage dividing power system, it can significantly cut energy usage, reducing daily operation costs by up to 40%. APRO-S boasts front and rear service for flexible, easy maintenance and outdoor LED installation applications. Compatible with wide-angle and curved installations, perfect for creative setups like naked eye 3D display. The APRO-S provides 4 mounting options: wall, pole, roof, with a 5-year warranty for wire-free purchase. Reach out to discuss your outdoor LED project and receive a customized proposal.